All right, what is going on, boys? It is your boy NQ Amen, also known as Amen Trades here. I am a little bit congested, so just my apologies in advance. But we're gonna be going over a trade recap for the day of Thursday, February 19th, 2026. Today is was a very optimal trade today. We had obviously two beautiful setups that we ended up taking, and they were both long setups. Now, identifying this sequence, right? We obviously want to identify our outlook into the market, right? So today, this long setup, 1 to 2 RR here, TP'd at 40 points, one candle trade. Second trade, we ended up actually looking for a little bit more on this trade. We never got the full move on it. That we wanted. We ended up against the break even. We got manipulated, but the full TP was at 82 points. Still played out to that 15-minute C or my original TP in one candle for a 104 RR. Right now, this trade right here was pretty simple. We had sometimes it's a little bit of a different entry model, but if you look at here, we zoom out, we made SMT with NQ and ES, right? After making this SMT with NQ and ES, this was a swing low. We reversed off of it. Cool. I use OTE, which is optimal entry. I waited for price to come back to the fib. So plotting from this swing low to this swing high right here, we identified that this was a swing high. When price was rebalancing in, I wanted to see price tap to 7.9, and I got the longs right off the 7.9. I didn't limit. I waited for market, got the buy market, and then I TP'd literally right here on this 40-point range. We ran a little bit higher up here as well, but one candle trade TP'd 1 2 RR. That was optimal entry, and that was a 942 trade, right? 942 rebalance. This was OT rebalance. We didn't come take down this. We had lows obviously a little lower, but I want to see price tap this OTE 7.9. Got the buys off of it. Buyers took over. TP'd for a nice low 1 2 RR, right? Stop loss was at the protected lows for 20 points. Nice, done deal. I waited a little bit. Market played out a little bit. Cool, cool, cool. All right, we had these highs right here. When price broke these highs, we had a 1 minute fair value gap. When price made a 1 minute fair value gap, this identifies a sequence. We ran past highs. We didn't manipulate it. We didn't reverse off of it. We ran past it. That rebalance entry at that 1 minute was optimal entry. I waited for price to rebalance right here. I limited at C at 24858 on NQ. I bought right here, limited a couple contracts, and then next candle absolutely flipped, piping for 56 points on that trade, which was again a 104 RR. Stop loss was around like 15 points this year, so we were protected in there. When we come back, we didn't get stopped out either. We swept that slow, reversed off of it, and then had some nice little longs off of it. So those are my two optimal trades for the day. Obviously going to those trades, the reason why I took those longs was mainly because we did have draws of liquidity a lot higher right here. We had a internal highs up here at 2489725. We had highs up here at 503 or 24903. So we had a lot of stacked highs that we did want to take out. We did end up reversing at this high at 24981, 24918, and then manipulating and reversing off of it at that 15 minutes. So that was really a beautiful trade right there. Signaled both of it live in the Discord. Both longs. One of them was a reversal sequence, and then one of them was a continuation based sequence, which is pretty beautiful. Both rebound entries as well. So if you guys want to learn how I take these trades like this, if you guys have any questions, join the Discord, link in bio, or at me and ask Amen. I'll answer your questions. I love y'all boys, and be safe. Banger day today. Let's take over.